Hey everyone, welcome back to Binary Builders, where we learn data structures and algorithms one step at a time. I'm Sunil Jailath, and today we are going to learn about the secret weapon of Java collection, the Array Deque. If you think queues are simple, just wait, because the Array Deque is a combination of stack plus queue in one. So watch till the end because we code, compare, and see the real world scenarios of Array Deque. First, imagine a structure that you can add or remove from both ends, front and back, with super fast and without memory overhead. Sounds like cheating. Nope, this is Array Deque. So let's quickly understand why this is so powerful. Array Deque means array-based double-ended queue. It is a part of java.util and it allows you to treat the same structure as FIFO queue and LIFO stack. Yes, one structure, two personalities. Unlike stack, which slow and outdated, or linked list, which use lots of memory, Array Deque is faster, cleaner, and recommended by developers in today. Next, let's talk about why we use Array Deque. It faster than stack and linked list, no capacity limit, allows operation on both ends, not thread safe. So, if you want to speed your stack or queue operations, this is the one.
Alright, let's start by using Array Deque as a queue, which simply means first in, first out. Think of people standing in ticket line. First person who comes gets served first. Here is the code. First I created an array called queue and I added A, B, C into it. When we print it, we get A, B, C. Now watch what happened. I called remove. It removes the first element, which is A, because this works like a normal queue, first in, first out. So after removal, the queue become BC. Simple, right? Add method adds to the end and remove methods removes from the front. Now let's flip the behavior and use Array Deque as a stack, which means last in, first out. Like stacking plate, the last plate you put on top is the first one you take off. This time we use push method to add values. I push 10, 20 and 30, so 30 is the top of the stack. When I call pop, it removes 30. Because that's the last in first out rule. The best part is Array Deque is actually faster and safer than the old stack class, so developers prefer using Array Deque as a stack in modern Java. And now the real power of Array Deque. Using both ends, we can add or remove from the front and from the back. Here I add front to the beginning using addFirst method and back to the using addLast method. So our deck look like front back. Now if I call remove first and remove last, it will remove front and remove back, which leaves the deck empty again. So just to recap, add first and remove first work on the front, and add last, remove last work on the back. The flexibility is exactly what makes Array Deque more powerful than regular queues and stack.
Let's talk about when you should not use Array Deque. No data structure is perfect, right? Here are two cases where Array Deque is not ideal. First one is not thread safe. If multiple threads access it at the same time, it may cause issues. Also, cannot store null values because null is used to check empty condition inside. The real question is, where do we actually use Array Deque in real life? We can use undo redo operations, browse back forward in history, BFS, DFS in graphs, sliding window problems, task scheduling systems. Whenever you need fast insert remove operations from both ends, choose Array Deque. So that's the Array Deque, the flexible, fast, modern alternative to Stack and LinkedList. If you learned something new, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this among fellow coders. This is Binary Builders helping you build one byte at a time. Until next time, keep the coding and keep building.